Teslas are not as expensive as people think. The first thing I always get when they see my Tesla is, oh, well, you've got to make a lot of money. You got to be really rich to afford a Tesla. That's not really true. When you really look at the numbers on a daily or monthly basis, and you do not take into account any kind of depreciation numbers or any numbers for people that actually lease a Tesla and use it on their business and write it off, those are not real numbers. I'm talking about actual numbers. If you take out a loan on a Tesla and your regular cost of maintaining an engine car as opposed to a Tesla. So let's look at those numbers, and I think you're going to be very surprised that these are actually a lot less expensive than gas engine cars. So as always, if you like my videos, please hit the like button underneath here and subscribe to my videos. I'm going to do a lot more videos about Teslas. Now let's go and look at some numbers, shall we? All right, so let's say that the average person drives 15,000 miles per year. You divide that by 12, you get approximately 1,250 miles per month. Now let's take an average of 20 miles a gallon. I understand some cars will do a lot worse, some cars will do a lot better than that, but in rush hour traffic, really you're gonna average about 20 miles per gallon. So in essence, on a monthly basis, you're gonna use 62.5 gallons of gas. So let's take that average, 62.5 gallons of gas per month, and multiply that by the average cost of gas, which is about $2.85. That's for around here at this time, it's for medium grade gas. It might be a little less, a little more for some people, but that gives us an average. So now we've got $178.13 worth of gas cost. Brake pads, you'll have to replace probably once every 2 years. Costs about $350. So you divide that by 24 months, that's $15.58 per month. So you add that to the $178.12. Now you're looking at $192.71. Now, my insurance went down approximately $100 a month. Obviously, that's going to be different from different people. Some it'll be more than that, some it'll be less, but let's add that to our total. So now we're up to $292.71 in savings. Now, most vehicles will also require a full fluid flush, all radiator and transmission fluid and all that, which costs about $1,000, and that's about every 2 years. So let's divide that again by 24. That's another $41.67. So you add that $41.67 to our $292.71. Now you have a saving of $334.38. Now, if you charge at home, obviously your electric bill is going to go up. The average has been about $30 a month. So we're going to subtract that from our savings and add that $30 a month in additional electricity and take that away from our $334. So now we're looking at a total of $304.38 in monthly savings. Now, the good thing with Teslas is that there's no dealer markup. The price that's shown on the website is the same price that everybody pays for whatever model they choose. So a base model will cost $39,990. With tax and everything, let's add another $4,000. So we put the vehicle price at $43,000 and the interest rate at 3.2%, which is average right now for 72 months. Your payment with a $5,000 down payment would be $580.77. $5,000 is pretty low for a down payment, so I think that a trade-in, most people will have more than that. But just to be fair, let's also add a long-range Model 3, which the total price would come into $49,000. So again,
Just to be fair, we're going to add about $4,000 worth of taxes, which means that we will begin at $53,000 using that exact same interest rate, 3.2% for 72 months. This time we'll choose $10,000 for a down payment. Most people, again, have that, especially if you're looking at a car that's $53,000. But on a trade in plus a little cash, $10,000 payment, that down payment is really not that far out of reach. Your loan payment now would be $657.18 per month. So, looking at the numbers, if we take that first number, that $580.77, and you subtract that $304.38 savings, you're actually only paying $276.39 a month for that car. Now let's look at the long range model. Remember, our payment was at $657.18. Again, now you take that $304.38 savings, you're now paying $352 a month and 80 cents for the car. Now, though the federal tax credit of $1,875 has gone away, a lot of states are actually coming out with some new tax credits. So, for me, if I take that $1,875 tax credit and spread it out over 5 years, so 60 months, that means that my savings is an additional $31.25 a month. Now, to give you a better idea, for me, I had a Jeep Wrangler, so this was absolutely a no brainer. My monthly payment on my Jeep was actually higher than that, but my gas tank was 21 gallons and I filled it up every 5 days. So 21 gallons at 285 per gallon, that's $59.85 times 6 times a month, that's $359.10 as opposed to 178.13 that most people spend. So in gas, if you take that $359.10 minus the $178.12, I was actually paying $180.98 more than what the average I've shown on here. So actually, my savings was an additional $180.98 per month. So the more expensive model monthly payment was $352.80. Now you subscribed another $180.98. That means that in essence, I'm only paying $171.82 per month for that car. That's incredible. Now keep in mind, I also got the tax credit, right, which was $31.25. So 171.82 minus that 31.25, I'm actually only paying $140.57 a month for this Tesla. Now, again, that includes that 1875 tax credit, which is not available federally any longer. But as I said, a lot of states have some additional tax credits for electric vehicles. Now, keep in mind before you start posting a lot of comments that these numbers are not accurate for me. I understand that. I know price of gas is going to be different everywhere in the country. The difference in cost of insurance may not be as dramatic for you as it was for me. It may be more. The amount of mileage that you drive per year may be less, may be more. The miles per gallon your car gets may be less, may be more. I understand that, right? But I still think that if you run the numbers like I did, based on your vehicle and what you do, you'll be able to realize that you probably can get a Tesla for the price of an economy car. I think the thing that is the most surprising with these Teslas is when you run the numbers, is you realize that the more miles you drive per month, the more money you save over a gas vehicle. So if you drive a lot of miles, then a Tesla is definitely the car for you. You will save a lot of money. Obviously, if you don't drive a whole lot, you won't see as dramatic of savings.
So as you can see, Teslas are actually a lot less expensive. They're really as expensive as an economy car to own when you look at all of those numbers. So I hope that this helps. Again, as I said, if you like the videos, hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again soon. Thank you.